G'day folks, Steve from Vintage Restorations Australia here. In today's video we take a look at the startup of that little 2A that we pulled out of the hills a while back. It was always an unknown quantity because it had been sitting up there for a few years and we were unsure if it actually ran or not. Just came down to Car Lovers to give the car a quick clean, get the grease and stuff off the engine so we can have a bit of a tinker and see if we can get it going today. So I've dragged the car out to John's today because it's workshop day and some of the boys are here and they can give me a hand.
Alright, kick it on the guts.
Can you hold this? Point it at the motor, point it at John. Nothing funnier than a video where a guy catches on fire while trying to start a Land Rover.
When it backfires.
Oh. Right, you ready?
Yeah. Say when.
When? Well, she wants to.
Come on, baby. Oh yeah! Stop messing about. Let's start the basket. Just needs a bit of fuel, I think.
Yeah, I think we just got to get a bit of fuel in the bowl. Work out how to get a bit more fuel into the bowl. We've just filled up the bowl. Can't get flow in the tank bucket. We'll just fill it up, see if we can get it started.
Hi there.
You only need one spark and she's off. Give it one more go.
Yeah, I don't want to give it all a go. Fuel squirting all over the ignition there.
Excellent.
That's not over the ignition.
That fuel putrid coming out of there.
It's got yellow.
Probably get rid of that. Or put a screw in it or something.
Something, yeah.
Oh, you stalled it, you goose.
Ran out of juice.
We're about to catch on fire.
Yeah, what's
That's alright, kick her up again.
It's just smoke. There's no flame yet.
Think it should stop.
Nah. Just burn off a whole bunch of oil.
Give it some gas. What's sloshing? Might be out of fuel.
Nah. Oh. Yeah.
What's leaking? Oh, it's this. Temporary fuel tank issues. Might have flooded her. Oh, there she goes. No fuel coming out. Just idle. No smoke whatsoever.
Good. Beauty.
Sounds alright.
Got cobwebs all over that.
What do you think, John?
All good?
That's it, purring away there. Very smooth, no bad noises. Sounds like a Land Rover. The carby obviously needs probably a kit put through it or a replacement. The clutch and the brakes are gone. But at this point,
The exhaust flange has a sealed stuff, so you can feel the hot exhaust coming out the side here.
yeah, I have to go right through the
And the
exhaust.
pipes are pretty bent just straight down there, but yeah.
So there you go, we managed to get that going without setting it on fire. Who says miracles don't happen? That little car's since been moved on to a guy up in Cooma who's going to do a full restoration of it. So we're hoping to see it back on the road fairly soon. That'll be a great thing. So another one saved. I guess that's it for today. Tune in. If you haven't subscribed, we'd love you to subscribe and follow some of our adventures and some of our restorations and some of the stuff that we do. If you've got any comments, please feel free to pop them in the comments section down below. If you just want to say g'day, make a suggestion, call us silly names, we're up for all of it. Till next time, we'll see you folks. Take care of yourselves.